was today on the daily. You can see back through here, we haven't had a spike like that since way back here on December 8th, where we have 1.9, and then the day before that 2.4. So that was that run right over here. All right, so getting a volume spike here, and a lot of the RSIs are looking like we're heading upwards. So first off, real quick, over on coin market cap here, volume is up 30%, 10.5 million. The market cap's at 178 million, and things are looking good here for sure. We're up 2.99% for the day. If we go to the crypto bubbles, you can see here big gainers: Optimism, Arbitrum, Rose, GRT. Where's this thing ranked? 45th, 1.8 billion. Yes, let's see where Bone is out on here. There we go, ranked 237 with a market cap of 178 million bucks. All right, up for the month 23%. All right, let's take a look at this chart real quick. All right, obviously we need Bitcoin to go. Okay, that helps out a ton. All right, it's down 100 bucks today. I want to show you it real fast, and then we're going to get back here. The key area to watch for Bitcoin is right up here. Let me get a trend line on that thing right there. All right, just down a hair. Want this as good as I can get it. Right around the 44,800 level. All right, any break of that area, and this thing is heading higher. Now we got the daily RSI on Bitcoin heading up, so I'm expecting this thing to break that 44.8 and continue running up here. Okay, which is obviously going to help the rest of the market, which is going to help Bone. All right, now you can see we held that level down here. Roughly 75 cents. It went down through it just a hair here, so we're going to move it to rate 74.64. All right, we've ended up holding that on the daily here, and we ended up holding it overall. You know, we had a wick down through there, but nothing, no breakdowns. Okay, it held very well. If we look at the daily RSI, the daily RSI is oversold and ready to head up. Okay, we got the 12-hour just heading up to the 30 and the 22. Looks great. If you're not familiar with this RSI, guys, when it's on the top, you're oversold, okay, or overbought, I'm sorry. And when you're on the bottom, you're oversold. You expect the price to head up when you're on the bottom. You expect it to come down when you're on top, okay. Now this blue line, you want it always bigger than your orange line number wise, okay. So you have a 30 and a 22, it's bullish. The 8-hour 77 and a 47 heading up, looking good. And the 4-hour is 91 and 94. That actually flipped bearish on the 4-hour. The big one's the daily, and obviously the weekly here is still bullish at a 80 and a 72, and the monthly is at a 6 and a 5.8. Okay, so key areas to watch here for any kind of breakout, all right, would be right there at that resistance that we hit up here at 80 cents. If we break 80, all right, then with our next resistance here is right about roughly 82 cents, okay? And then onward and upward, the next one would be up at where we haven't been for a while, right up around 84. We'll put one on there in case we get a breakthrough this area, 83.9. Okay, then your next one up there would be 86.5 cents, but we'll wait till we get through this first area first, okay? Watch for the 80 cents to break, and then the next resistance will come in around 82. This support down here should absolutely hold around 74.6, okay? So watching for a breakout here on Bone. On the hourly, you can see how we're steadily moving up. Okay, we broke through that 77. We came down and retested it as support on the hourly, and just waiting for a move up here. Look at the volume coming in here, you know, on the hourly. You know, you can see some green buyers coming in, starting a green candle on that hourly. So watch for that 80 cents to break, and then the 82 cents, okay? This down here should absolutely hold as support down at that 74.6. All right, keep your eye on Bone, guys. Looks like this thing's ready to start going. All right, it's about time. It's lullabied us here, okay? If you go down through here, you can actually see. Let me show you. If you put a trend line on here, go down through the resistance, that would be a breakout. Okay, so you would have had resistance, resistance, and then a breakout on the 4 hour here. Okay, so this is actually a legitimate break of resistance here. So there you go. All right, thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.